think about stuff like while I'm eating.
I grew up in partly in San Francisco and partly in Cupertino, so the Bay Area in a general sense. The Bay Area is pretty, I want to say, knowledgeable about environmental impacts and everything, so.
Americans not in the armed forces will get less of the common foods to which they are accustomed. But by rationing, by sharing what we have, and by using our food supply wisely, our nation at war can still support a healthy, active people.
I try to buy organic and non-GMOs as often as I can, just because my idea is that the more pure it is, the better it is for you. GMOs, I feel like, aren't really the problem. GMOs have done a lot for our society. They've put in nutrition into our foods that we can't get from our normal diet, so it's actually done a lot of good. The fact that is with GMOs in the most recent scientific revolution in the past 50 years, I want to say, is that not a lot of it is tested over a long period of time. I buy the purest ingredients. I really make my own stuff. I buy vegetables and then salmon and chicken. My salmon and chicken's always fished well or whatever, not overfishing salmon, and the chicken is always happy cage-free chicken, non-hormonal, and so everything I buy pretty much vegetables, fruit, and chicken basically is my diet. So I don't really need to pay attention to the ingredients because I'm not buying a jar of something, and I feel like that really contributes to healthy eating because I can see it. I can see what I'm eating. That's what I'm eating, you know?
Mm.
Ingredients contain ice cream, milk, cream, sugar, corn syrup. Contains 1% or less of each of the following: whey, mono and diglycerides, locust bean gum, natural flavor, vanilla bean specks, vanilla extract, caramel and annatto extract, milk chocolate coating, cocoa butter, milk fat, PGPR and soy lecithin, vanilla extract, caramel sauce, water, sugar, corn syrup, high fructose corn syrup, non-fat dry milk, coconut oil, modified cornstarch, caramel color, salt, mono, and diglycerides again, soybean oil, modified tapioca, starch, sodium citrate, potassium sorbate, carob bean gum, and natural flavor. Chocolatey coating contains coconut oil, sugar, cocoa, soy lecithin, and vanilla extract.
Probably, if they wanted to make the easy step and be more environmentally aware, probably be vegan or vegetarian. That's the easiest way to do it. But other than that, it's really hard to look at each company and how much water they're using or what types of drainage they're using for irrigation. It's just really hard to see exactly what their contributions are because not many companies are doing it. Not many research companies are actually going out there to find it. It's not being funded. These places are these big agricultural food industry people have such a great control over what we know right now, and even global people aren't global environmental groups aren't even bringing attention to agricultural carbon footprint. So I just think that if I told anyone, I'd just tell them to be vegetarian or vegan, and that'd be the easiest step to making a good contribution.